Hello everyone, this is part 6 from chapter 2 from your civics book, Role of Government in Health. In my previous video I explained about why we pay tax to the government. So because the government provide facility, being a citizen of your country, I must be provided healthcare facility. On the basis of this ground, Hakim Sheikh filed case against the government. When we study the story of Hakim Sheikh, where we get information when Hakim Sheikh injured, he went to 8 different hospitals, none of them admitted him. Then at last he went to the private hospital where he spent a lot of money for his treatment. So on the basis of this ground, Hakim Sheikh filed case against the government. Means that Hakim Sheikh paid the tax. That's why the essential healthcare services is the right of all citizens. So when we study Hakim Sheikh story, there we get two type of healthcare facility. One is public healthcare facility or services, and another second is private healthcare service or facility. So today we are going to understand public health services. So what is public health service? Chain of health centers, hospitals run by government are called public health services. Here you can see the picture of human chain and normal chain. Then you can see the it's interconnected one to another. Same as here, one person is connected to another, means attached. So same as here, hospitals is also connected to each other and they run by the government are called public health service. PHS means public health service, provide treatment to common illness and special services. Common illness means that cold, cough, fever, and special means like operation and some major diseases. In rural areas there are primary health care, means PHC. In a rural area means like village area, the which healthcare service or centers are available, we known as the private healthcare center or private health care. And in the district level there are district hospitals. So district hospital provides services to all the center. I told you it's a chain, so they interconnected each other. Here you can see a picture of this Prathmik Swasthya Kendra, means that PHS, and the district hospital means Jila Chikitsalaya. So you can see the difference between one to another. So this is the big one, and here we get more facility, and this is the small, so here we get less facility. So in the PHS we find the basic or common illness, for the treatment for the common illness, and in district hospital we get the common illness, we get the treatment for common illness as well as the special treatment also we get. So reason for called public health services. So first question is, why we called this facility to public health services, or this particular public health care. So services are for all citizens, means public. So this facilities means that personal, these hospitals or health centers run by the government, so it is common for all the citizens. That's why it's a public health services or center. The second one, the resources needed to these services are obtained from public taxes. It means from where they get the money, means resources means the money. So by the tax only the government get the money. And in my previous video I explained about how the government collected money, the what is the source, or what is the resource. So the resource or the source is the tax, by collection of tax only. So who paid the tax? Means all the citizen. That's why the services name called the public health services. Then public health system mean to provide quality health service or quality health care services. Means public health system is mean to provide quality health service. Means like Hakim Sheikh. So Hakim Sheikh means the story of Hakim Sheikh. So it's a right to all the citizen that we get the quality health service. Then the health care take action to prevent the spread of disease. So what is the meaning of its meaning? We can say the participation. Means as we know ki the cause of malaria is the mosquito. सो अभी क्या होता है कि जब एक मलेरिया की रोकथाम के लिए गवर्नमेंट कोई भी प्रोग्राम को चलाती है या कोई भी स्कीम को चलाती है या कोई शेड्यूल करती है, तो हमें भी उसमें क्या करना चाहिए, कोऑपरेट करना चाहिए. एंड ऑलरेडी वी नो इट व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ हेल्थ. हेल्थ में से केवल इतना नहीं होता कि हम डिसीज़ से फ्री हो जाएं. हेल्थ का मतलब होता है हमें एक हेल्दी एटमॉस्फेयर को भी बनाना चाहिए जिससे कि बीमारियां कम हो. अगर बीमारियां कम होंगी तो हम ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होंगे, हेल्दी हो जाएंगे. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, प्राइमरी ड्यूटी ऑफ गवर्नमेंट टू इंश्योर वेलफेयर ऑफ पीपल. How we can say? Just remember chapter first. So where we get information about the fundamental rights. So what is the first fundamental right? Right to equality. Under it all citizens are equal before law. And just remember the story of Kanta, where she went to give vote. That time she gave particular candidate who promised to provide the water facility. It means हम उन्हें ही वोट देते हैं जो हमारे वेलफेयर के लिए हमें क्या करते हैं, इंश्योर करते हैं. इट मीन्स जो गवर्नमेंट होती है उन्हें कौन सेलेक्ट करता है, हमारे पीएम को, सीएम को हम ही वोट दे करके क्या करते हैं, सेलेक्ट करते हैं. इट मीन्स वो हमारे लिए ही काम करते हैं. तो जब वो हमारे वेलफेयर के लिए काम करेंगे, हमें इंश्योर करेंगे कि हाँ हम आपके वेलफेयर के लिए काम करें, तभी हम उन्हें वोट देंगे. तो इनडायरेक्टली हम क्या सोचते हैं कि जो भी हमारे गवर्नमेंट के अंडर में आते हैं, जो भी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होते हैं, उनकी प्राइमरी ड्यूटी होती है कि वो हमें अच्छी सुविधाएं क्या करें, प्रोवाइड करें. गवर्नमेंट मस्ट सेफ गार्ड टू राइट टू लाइफ. और ये गवर्नमेंट की भी ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि वो सभी की लाइफ को क्या करें, सेव करें. Now just remember the story of Hakim Sheikh. So in the story of Hakim Sheikh we get the information on the basis of this ground. Means all the citizens they paid the tax. That's why it's our right to get the better health care facility. And already I explained when Hakim Sheikh went to 8 different hospitals, none of them admitted him. So finally he went to the private hospital where he spent a lot of money. So firstly he went to the government hospital. It means he doesn't have lots of money, that's why he went to the government hospital. But when he went to 8 different hospital, none of them admitted him. At last he want to save his life, that's why he move on the private healthcare facility. So where he spent a lot of money. तो जब वो ठीक हो गया तो उसने क्या किया, he filed a case against the government. And what is the ground he made? On the basis of that particular ground, that I pay tax, we pay tax, that's why it's my basic right, it's to get the better health care services, and it is the duty of government to provide health care facility. But यहाँ हाकिम शेख के केस में तो उल्टा हो गया, गवर्नमेंट ने तो उन्हें फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड नहीं की. तो अब कोर्ट ने क्या बोला, तो कोर्ट ने डिसीजन दिया, द कोर्ट सेड दैट इट वाज अ ड्यूटी ऑफ गवर्नमेंट टू प्रोवाइड द provide, sorry, it's a two time it's written, provide the necessary health service including treatment emergency situation, treatment in emergency situation. It means कि जो हेल्थ सर्विसेज है वो इमरजेंसी ट्रीटमेंट, इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन में भी ट्रीटमेंट करें. अब हम देखते हैं हाकिम शेख की स्टोरी को कि वहाँ पर हाकिम शेख 8 डिफरेंट हॉस्पिटल्स में गया लेकिन एक ने भी उन्हें एडमिट नहीं किया. इट मीन्स कि ये इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन तो क्या हो गई, फेल हो गई, गलत हो गई यहाँ पे. Then hospital and medical staff must fulfill their duty of providing the necessary treatment. Of Hakim Sheikh was denied treatment at various government hospitals. It means आपको पता है ना कि वो बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल्स में गया और सब ने क्या कर दिया, रिफ्यूज़ कर दिया. So therefore the court asked the state government to give him money that he had spent on his treatment. तो कोर्ट ने क्या डिसीजन दिया, कोर्ट ने दिया कि हाँ एक्चुअली यहाँ गवर्नमेंट की गलती है, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स की गलती है, क्योंकि हम टैक्स पे करते हैं तो ये हमारा राइट बनता है कि हमको बेटर फैसिलिटी क्या की जाए, प्रोवाइड की जाए. तो वहाँ पर वहाँ पर हाकिम शेख को फैसिलिटी नहीं मिली. दैट्स वाई हाकिम शेख ने केस किया और फिर कोर्ट ने ये डिसीजन दिया कि ये तो हाकिम शेख का गुड लक था कि वो बच गया 14 आवर स्पेंड करने के बाद क्रिटिकल कंडीशन में. लेकिन मे बी अगर वो नहीं बचता तो जो अभी हमने पढ़ लिया कि राइट टू लाइफ मतलब सेव करना है लाइफ को, वो तो वहाँ पर कंप्लीट नहीं होता, फुलफिल नहीं होता. तो इसलिए ये हमारा क्या है, बेसिक राइट बनता है कि हमको बेटर हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटी क्या की जाए, प्रोवाइड की जाए बाय द गवर्नमेंट. और होप आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा कि वाई दिस फैसिलिटीज़ called public health care facilities, because it for all the citizen, not for one, but these services are for all the citizen. That's why this facility is called public health services. In my next video I will explain about private health care facility. So hope by this video you understand the concept of public health care services. Till that, take care.